Hello guys, so this is the much awaited racket apacs finapi 232 extra power. I was thinking about this since a long time to get this, and actually I was looking for a racket which can hold a good tension, expert level of tension, around 28 or 30 kind of. So apex finapi claims that this can hold around 30 lbs. So I will uh, get this around 28 or 30, and I would like to try 30 lbs for the first time in my life. Right now I am playing with Astrax like 27i. I think it's a very good badminton racket for beginners as well as for advanced intermediate players. I have this my tension is currently 24 lbs, which is optimum for an intermediate player. So now I have this apex finapi 232. So I will very soon get this around 28 lbs, and I would like to get the string BG80 or BG66, whichever it may be. I will get that string at 28 lbs, and I will play and share a review. I will share a review of that very soon, so stay tuned. And one more thing, I got this racket at around 2000. So 2000 is the current price of apex finapi 232 extra power. So whoever might interested in this racket can connect and ask me anything about it. So that's it.